ए छोटू, सुट्टा है क्या? इतनी रात को रूखी सूखी चाय बेच रहा है, सुट्टा तो रख लिया करना जान।
अभी स्टेशन पे ही मिलेगा।
खाने में क्या है?
इडली वड़ा है साहब।
ठीक है, 1 प्लेट और 2 चाय दे दे।
ठीक है।
यार तेरा इंसेंटिव कितना बना इस मंथ?
$225 ब्रो। बट हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट राकेश? ही ऑलरेडी क्रॉस 1500 दिस मंथ।
व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? कितने क्लाइंट्स हैं यार उसके पास इस मंथ?
52 थे और आज एक और कन्वर्ट कर लिया उसने।
तो हाउ 1500? 25 टाइम्स 53 कितना हुआ?
1325।
बता कितना हुआ? तेरे हाथ में कैलकुलेटर है?
ही इज राइट। 1325।
इधर आ। ये तूने कैसे किया?
मैंने क्या किया साहब?
25 into 53।
1325।
19 to 20 नहीं 19 to 38।
722।
आंसर्स राइट।
अच्छा, 29 into 17।
493।
19 into 29।
551।
5 plus 7 plus 19 plus 21 plus 34 plus 21।
107।
What the
यार तेरे दिमाग में कैलकुलेटर है क्या?
नहीं साहब, ये वैदिक मैथ्स है।
अच्छा।
स्कूल जाता है क्या?
हाँ साहब, जाता हूँ ना। अभी 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हूँ साहब। सॉरी, आई मीन था। वो 1 साल गैप पड़ गया।
क्यों, अब क्या आईएएस के लिए प्रिपेयर करेगा?
नहीं साहब, मेरा जो बाप है ना, वो मुझसे बहुत प्यार करता है और वो चाहता है कि मैं पढूं, इंजीनियर बनूं। लेकिन उसका जो मेरे लिए प्यार है ना, वो तंबाकू गुटखे के सामने थोड़ा सा फीका पड़ गया। उसने जब मेरा प्यार और तंबाकू गुटखे का प्यार मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर 0 आया साहब, और थोड़ा सा मिस कैलकुलेशन हो गया। अब उसके कैंसर का इलाज चल रहा है। इसी की वजह से इस साल मैं स्कूल नहीं जा पाऊँगा साहब।
Broadly divided into 2 groups, non-small cell and small cell lung cancer. However, in the under that subheading, there could have several different types of cancers.
Achha, does this sugar helps to feed the cancer?
Yes, I mean there are several evidences at individual cell levels. Consumption of high sugar can aggravate the risk of cancer. Having said that, if patient suppose has got diabetes mellitus, it doesn't mean that patient has got that risk of cancer spread increases.
Okay.
But once at the cell outside the in vivo, they have done a lot of studies feeding the cancer cells with the sugar. They have found out the increased risk of cancer spread. But in reality, if patient has got uncontrolled sugars, that has to be tackled, and that has got no increased risk of spread of cancer.
Achha.
When we say after the cancer treatment, most of the time we use the word remission. That means cancer has got temporarily gone. But to ensure that cancer cured, that means at least for 5 years cancer shouldn't come back. So to make this microscopic cell, if they are circulating around, our own immunity kills these cells. To maintain good immunity, we advise everyone to regular exercise, have healthy fruits, healthy lifestyle, so that our own immune cells fight this cancer and cancer doesn't come back.
And how does a healthy man get lung cancer?
Well, I mean, when you say a healthy man, I suppose you are talking about he is not smoking. However, there are other things. Passive smoking. If you are in atmosphere, environment where other people are smoking, you get smoke. Having said that, in living in metropolitan cities where there is much smoke or environmental pollution, that also increases the risk of cancer. So it is not just the tobacco smoke. Yes, tobacco smoking causes and responsible for 90% of cancer. But however, there are 10% of cancer are because of something else, including small risk of genetic disease and exposure to radiation, exposure to previous treatment. These are all causes cancer. That's why even healthy person can develop cancer, but obviously risk is very small. My message is simple. I mean, cancer is no longer uncurable disease. we can definitely cure the cancer. It's not just cure of the cancer. There are certain other things we have to look. Maintaining healthy quality of life not only cures the cancer, but it also helps to have a good quality of life. Our aim of cancer treatment is not just prolonging the life, it is maintaining healthy quality of life for a long time.
I'm Dr. Jayanti Tumsi. I'm a consultant breast oncologist at BGS Gleneagles Global Hospital. So, talking about one type of cancer, that is breast cancer, about 1.5 lakh new cases are detected every year, and out of this, about 70,000 lose their life because of cancer, and this is very, very alarming. That means out of 2 new cases diagnosed, 1 person loses life because of cancer in India. So, to talk about breast cancer, my message would be that early detection is extremely important. Prevention and early detection is the most important thing. This is because when the cancer is detected early, any kind of cancer, of course in breast cancer as well, if the cancer is detected early, it is very easier to treat. The treatment becomes simpler, it becomes shorter, the cost is less, and most importantly, the cure rates are very high. In breast cancer is one of the few cancers where complete cure is possible, but the prerequisite is that it has to be detected early. And we do a lot of awareness programs. The education and awareness in the women is extremely important. They should know when to go to the doctor, which are the master health checkup. Along with that, if mammogram is done for women who are 40 years and above yearly, that would help them a lot in detecting the disease at an early stage. So I would recommend that the nutrition has to be a balanced nutrition, which has enough carbohydrates, proteins, and the vitamins and the minerals. So as long as we stick on to the natural kind of food, it is safer for anybody, for any kind of cancer, like taking lot of fruits, taking lot of vegetables in the diet, drinking enough amount of water, having a regular exercise schedule, maintaining an adequate body weight, giving up on smoking and alcohol. These are certain things which will help not only in cancer but in many other diseases which a human being can suffer from. So, I think women's health is extremely important. Women form the backbone of the family and hence backbone of the society, I think. If a woman's life is affected, the whole family gets affected. There's a saying which says that if you educate one girl, the whole generation to come from her gets educated. Similarly, if one woman's health is taken care of, the entire family is taken care of. So women certainly need to take care of their health, and there are simple things like certain cancers can be easily detected. Certain kinds of cancer can be detected early, like breast cancer can be detected early by doing a simple technique called breast self-examination, where a woman can examine her breast herself. So I would recommend all the women who are 20 years and above do breast self-examination once in a month. Women who are 40 years and above do mammogram once in a year, and it's good to, I would recommend and I would strongly urge women to breastfeed their children as much as possible. When a woman breastfeeds, it is a protection for the child and also the mother. And one of the risk that can be avoided is breast.